Hey guys, so today our next video is going to be, or it's this video, it's a Blender video and we're going to be making a house. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'll show you what the end product is going to look like up on screen now. And I'll just get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is click General. You want to drag across until everything's selected in it. Right click and delete it. So now you should have...
Also, I'm here. I'm here. Also.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say. Sam's here. So now everything's deleted. You can click Add up here.
Or Shift A. Shift A is the shortcut.
I did not know that. So then you want to go Mesh, and we'll just add a cube. So now I've got a cube in your screen.
Yep.
You want to go into Edit mode by clicking on Object mode and then selecting Edit mode again.
Yeah.
So now up at the top here, you want to select Faces. It's around where it says Edit mode. You'll see it's like a square on top of a cube. So you want to click that, and we want to get the Scale tool. So if you go down, it's underneath the Rotate tool. So select that. You want to click and hold inside the white circle. Make sure not to click on any of the other things in there. Just drag it out and it should scale everything at the same time. So I'm gonna make mine about that size there. You got that, Sam?
Yeah.
Okay, so now the next thing we want to do, you want to click Add up the top. That's where it used to be, or where it was in object mode.
Yeah.
And I'm going to add a cone. For this is going to be like a pointed roof. So you click a top cone, but you might see it's not appearing. So what you're going to do is you go to the Move tool. It's 2 above the Scale tool.
Yeah.
And then just drag the blue arrow up, and you should see your cone is there.
I can't access my cone actually. I can't click on the cone because it's inside my cube.
If you zoom in enough, you go through the cube and then you can see the cone inside it.
I still can't click on it. That's weird.
What you can do is you can go into up at the top right. You can go into X-ray mode, and then you can see the cone inside it.
Oh, yep, selected there.
All right. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to go back to our Scale tool. And we want to drag out this green. It's not really an arrow. It's like a rod. So this is going to be how wide it is. I'm going to make mine. That's probably sticking out too much. Sticking out that much.
It's only selecting individual faces on the thing.
Yeah, if you select off it, you are going to have to reselect all of them. It's very annoying, but if you just don't click if you don't click off it, it'll keep everything selected. So I'm sorry, Sam, but you have to go through the pain of resetting that all. So anyway, you want to then drag it out. So Sam, you drag out the green arrow until it's out, and then the red arrow. So now you have a flat roof, and then you can drag out the blue one if you want to make it taller. I'll only drag mine out a small bit. So now we have a square with a cone on top of it. But now we want to make a door, because how else are you going to get into your house?
Yeah.
So you want to go down into the Knife tool. It looks like a cube with a zigzag going through it. So
oh God, what did I do?
Oh no. Tell me when you got it, Sam. Sam?
Yeah?
Tell me when you got it.
Okay, I'll tell you when I got it. Let's see here. Got it.
Alright, uncut. So then you want to select which side of the cube you want to be the front. I'm just going to pick this side here. And you just want to, with the Knife tool, you just want to click. It'll create like a little square. Then you can see when you move the mouse, a line will go with it. And you can just drag this up and then click again, then across, click again, and down, click again, and then back over to the first one. And then if you press enter, you can see we now have a door frame. but when you go into object mode, you won't be able to see it because it doesn't show all the lines. So what you want to do is you want to pick the extrude region tool. Once you've got that, you have that, Sam?
Yeah.
And then you want to select the face of the door and just push it in. And push mine in about that much. Sam, tell me when you got that.
What is going on with my knife tool? This is strange.
What's happening?
I'm clicking to move it, and it's just clicking off it.
Let me see.
Just
So now you have a basic house, but we should add some windows. So using what we just did there, you want to go to the knife tool again.
oh, it works now.
Nice. And you just want to make a little square as the window. Make this as big as you want. I'm just going to make mine there, and then enter to confirm, and just do that until you're happy with the amount of windows. Okay, so we now have our basic house, but let's add some color to it. So we can now go back into object mode. Right here.
Looks nice.
And then on the right, down here, you can see it's like a circle with a checkered pattern on it.
Yep.
Click that.
The material.
Yeah, and then see it should bring this up, and you just click new, scroll all the way down, and then you should see the word viewport display. So just click the little arrow next to that. It should drop down this. You can see color. If we change that,
I'm gonna make mine a nice
our house
grey.
magically changes.
I'm gonna make mine a nice grey.
I'm gonna make mine like a red, maybe like a terracotta kind of look.
Nice.
I'll do like sandstone. No, I'll go terracotta. There you go.
Yeah, my house is great.
Alright,
And
so
the
now-
roof?
Yeah, we'll do that in a minute. Okay, so now our whole house is red, but we don't want that. I want to make my roof kind of like a thatch yellow. So what you want to do is you want to go back into edit mode. Right here. And you want to select all the faces on your roof. This might take a minute. So we're going to do yet another time. Actually, no, we'll just cut. Back in a minute. Oh, the next thing we want to do is you want to scroll back up on this right. Click the plus button. New. Scroll all the way back down. And then make this the color of your roof. I'm gonna
make a red brick roof.
I'm gonna make a nice yellow. That yellow kind of looks good. So, once you've got this color, you want to scroll back up. And click sign. Now if we click off, our roof is a different color.
Cool.
Now there's one last thing we have to do, or if you want to, you don't really have to do this. But what you want to do is you want to click the plus button again, click new, scroll down, make this one kind of like a light blue,
Yeah.
and then select all the faces of your window, like this. You hold shift to select multiple.
On the inside, yeah? Like just the inside faces.
Okay, so now once you've got them all selected, scroll back up in the right, select material 3, and then click assign. So if you now go back into object mode, you can look at your wonderful creation. You've made a house. But we want to save the house. Now this is very simple. Just click File, Save. Should pop up this window. And just call it what you want. I'm just going to call mine House. And I'm going to save Blender file. And now it's saved.
Cool. House. Nice. Save Blender file. Nice. This looks like a nice house. It's
So-
simple, like.
That's going to be the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.